Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Everybody has completed the short question answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone,
ma'am.
सबके हो गए हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
चल,
Yes, ma'am.
there's the long ones. Let's wait for one more minute for the others to join. Then we'll start. Okay, kids. So the very first question is, हाँ जी, compare the human settlement in the cold region and the hot region. Who will tell me the answer? You can raise your hands to tell the answer. Kids, am I audible to you?
Long answer one.
And this question we can write in points.
Yes, obviously, 1 point.
Okay.
Who will tell me the answer?
My
Yes,
first point can be
sure.
that
Sure
in
will tell, Sure will tell the answer because he has raised his hand to tell the answer.
Okay. The first difference can be of physical adaptation in which the cold region it has insulated homes with thick walls and roofs to conserve their heat, while in hot region their houses are designed to allow airflow and ventilation. Second can be
Correct.
technological adaptations in which cold region they have heated systems such as fireplaces or heaters. Whereas in hot regions, there's cooling systems such as air conditioning or
Morning, ma'am.
evaporative cooling.
Okay.
Whereas in lifestyle adaptations, cold region, people often stay indoor, and their traditional clothes also includes a layer of insulated fabric, hats, and gloves. And the food they eat is often high calorie and rich to provide energy. Whereas in hot region, people stay indoor during the hottest part of the day only. And traditional clothes include only lightweight clothes and loose fitted garments. Whereas if we talk about food, they eat only light and cool and hydrated foods such as salads and fruits.
Correct. Anybody has to add something to it? Somebody would like to add anything to this? No?
um,
Yes.
Ma'am, could you please tell the page number?
These having different page numbers. Shall please tell the page number to the children?
I formed it myself because I've written it also in my notebook.
Even I was saying that you cannot pick it from one place, you can pick it from different areas. So I'll tell you, I'll also share the answer.
And we can write the difference in occupations.
Ma'am, can we write this from ourselves?
Yes, exactly. Yourself.
Ma'am, we can add that one and that point also which you tell in the class.
I am sharing the points in the group as well, and then you can write it on your own. Okay?
Ma'am.
Because check the group, I have also shared some points. Fine. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Akshat, read the next question.
Okay. Describe the major economic activities of the people of the Brahmaputra basin.
कौन बताएगा आंसर?
अरे रुक जाओ.
रुक गए अक्षत.
Ma'am, can I?
Raise your hands if you want to tell the answer. Again, Shaurya, somebody else? Somebody apart from Shaurya? Yes, Bhavya.
Please wait for a second.
What?
Ma'am.
Yes, Bhavya.
Simply, the Brahmaputra basin is one of the most fertile regions of the world. The major economic activities of the people here are agriculture, rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane, and tea are the major crops cultivated in this region. Fishing, the rivers and their tributaries provide opportunities for fishing. Forestry: the basin is the home of vast forests, providing timbers and other forest products. Industry there are various industries like textile, jute, and sugar. Locals in the basins, tourism, the region attracts tourism due to the rich culture, heritage, and national beauty. Ma'am, done.
Well, read the next question. I think Bhavya's answer is absolutely correct. Yes, Akshat?
I can also answer.
Yes.
That the major economic activities includes agriculture, though quite a large number of people are engaged in industries and tertiary occupations for income. Substantial and intensive agriculture is practiced in most parts of the region.
ठीक है. चलो, read the next question, Alankrita.
Write a note on the human settlement in the Amazon basin.
What does this answer?
मैं मैथ है.
बताइए. Harsh Patel will tell the answer.
Okay, ma'am. The Native Americans of the Amazon basin still live in the same way as their ancestors did it for the past 100 years. The high temperature, humidity, accumulations of water are not conducive to human comfort. The Native Americans grow crops like yams, sweet potatoes, bananas, and manuatic. They wear very little clothing. The people have very little contact with the outside world, and river remains their main channel of communicating. Cannons are their means of transport.
We can also include that these natives live in thatched houses made from leaves and grasses and palms.
Okay.
And ma'am, the first point could be the Amazon basin is inaccessible. That's why it is one of the most thinly populated areas.
Inaccessible air, the dense forest doesn't make it conducive for the human comfort, right? That because of right, because of the broad leaves, the underground is very damp and dense, because of which it is difficult to make roads there. है ना? Communication is also not easy. Yes, Yashmit.
The same answer.
No, no, मतलब you can write it on your own as well. What you said is also correct.
Okay.
Next question. Who would read? Yashmit, read the next question.
Describe the major economic activities of the people of prairies and wilds.
Who will tell me this answer? Yes, Georgia.
Okay, ma'am, prairies are the temperate grassland region in North America, covering the parts of Canada and United States of America. Their major economic activities are wheat farming, cattle ranching, and mining. Wheat farming, the prairies are known for their vast wheat fields, making them one of the most world's largest producing regions. Whereas cattle ranching, the regions of grassland supports large-scale cattle ranching with many farms raising beef and dairy cattle. In mining, the prairies region is very rich in metal resources, including coal, oil, and natural gases. Whereas in wells, the wells are the temperate grassland region in South Africa. Major economic activities, sheep and cattle farming, maize and wheat farming, and mining. Sheep and cattle farming. The wells are suitable for sheep and cattle farming, with many farms raising livestock for meat and wool production. Maize and wheat farming. The research of Welt is very fertile, has a very fertile soil, which supports maize and wheat farming, making them important crops for food and export. Mining. Similar to prairies, wells are also rich in minerals resources, but they include resources like gold, diamonds, and coal.
Fine. Children, I have also, his answer is absolutely correct. I have also shared the answer in the, like, some pointers in the group. With the help of those points, you can write your own answer. Okay?
Ma'am, excuse me.
हाँ
Ma'am.
जी.
Can I tell the next question answer?
Read the next question Bhavya first.
Describe the major features of the tropical rainforest.
Okay, this is giving directly in the book. Yes, Bhavya, tell us the page number.
Ma'am, I am telling, I have written on my own. Tropical rainforests are categorized by high rainfall. They receive high rainfall throughout the year. High biodiversity. They are home to vast, vast array of plants and animal species. Dense vegetation. The forests are categorized by dense vegetation, including tall trees, vines, and epiphytes. Warm and humid climate. They have
Okay, Bhavya. Okay, somebody else would like to tell me the answer. 5 points are giving directly in the book. Yes, Yashmit.
The major features of
Beta, please
tropical
tell everybody
rainforest
the
are
page number so that would be easier for them to also find out.
page number 87G. The major features of tropical rainforest are the trees have broad leaves and their wood is hard. The trees do not shed their leaves at any particular time of the year. The forest is thick and luxuriant with plenty of trees. Trees of same species are scattered in distribution. Mahogany, ebony, ivory wood, rosewood, and dyewood are the main trees.
ठीक है, correct.
And then, ma'am, we can also write animal life in tropical rainforest is abundant in both numbers and variety.
Right. Anything else? ठीक है. Next
Ma'am,
question.
they are evergreen forests.
हाँ, they're known as evergreen forest. हाँ जी. Anybody else would like to add anything?
Ma'am,
Yes, Priyanshi.
ma'am, the raining is very heavy, so the forests are very thick there.
ठीक है. Now let's go to the next
And
question.
one thing also that they are hot and humid because of the heavy rainfall in the forest. That's why it is densely covered and algae is grown in the on please.
Right. Next question would be read by.
And this was the last question.
Okay, now we have Wu as well. No? Give reasons.
Ma'am, we will do give reasons also in our notebook.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, we will not do the differentiate part, but give reasons we would do. Why the house of Saharishna made up of mud?
May I tell?
Yes, Akshaj.
It is made up of to protect the people living in the house from the heat of the
From the
sun.
heat, dust and heat of the Sahara Desert, right? The temperature of Ladakh is very low.
May I tell?
No, somebody else should tell. Shaurya Tyagi, tell me why the temperature of Ladakh is very low.
Ma'am, the temperature of Ladakh is very low due to its high altitude. Because Ladakh is situated at more at an average elevation.
Very good. You were right, as we know that the higher we go, the colder it gets, and since Ladakh is located on a high altitude, it's pretty cold, right?
And
That
ma'am,
is
also due to the cold air from the north also.
no, that doesn't need to be mentioned. इतना ही काफी है बस ये altitude वाला point is enough. ठीक है. Next question.
Okay.
May I tell the next one?
Yes, please read the question and the answer.
Okay, ma'am. The next question is the main occupation of the people of Ganga Brahmaputra basin is agriculture. This is because the land is very fertile and the climatic conditions are also
Favorable.
favorable for the crops.
Correct. Good. Next one more is there.
May I tell?
Yes. And Yashmit has raised his hand. Yashmit would tell.
The Amazon basin is thinly populated because of its inaccessibility and a large number of wild animals living there.
Okay, correct. Okay. Now start doing the long question answers. As soon as you have done one question, please send it on the group. After completing one question, click a picture and share it on the group. Okay? Aditya Gupta, have you done the short question answers?
Yes, ma'am, but I don't have a phone. I'm doing the class on laptop, so I can't send.
You can send it to me in the evening, but no issues. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, please, everybody, keep your videos on and start doing your work so that I can keep a check on you. Keep your videos on while doing your work, everyone.
And can you tell me how will we form the first long answer? Where we'll write the heading occupation and then make a line, and at one we will write desert and one Ladakh.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat the second long answer?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Beta, I'm again telling you, please keep updating your answers on the group. As soon as you have completed the first answer, please share on the group. Okay?